Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Samsung Galaxy M34. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way, so reset the Bluetooth connection, open the top menu, switch it off and switch it on again to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by the power button. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pyro mode, and how to activate Pyro mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not for a phone. Open the settings, then swipe down and choose the general management. Swipe down again and look for the reset. Choose the network settings, the Bluetooth is included here, and tap on Reset Settings button, configure your pattern account and tap on this button again. After that, look for your device on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so you have to open the software update in the settings and choose download and install. If you have any updates, just install it. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.